Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be learning how to write a simple yet powerful Java program that collects and displays student details, including their name, register, number, marks in three subjects and their average score. See, this is a common 6 mark question. Okay, so yeah, we will be getting in some exams. So the question, what's the question? We have to write a Java program to get student details such as name, register number, and marks in three subjects. So we have to get the details of five students, and we have to print the details of all students in a neat format as given below. Okay, so now let us write the program. So I will be explaining this way step by step how to write the program. Okay, so let break this down. Okay, first what we will do, we will create a student class, okay, to hold the details of each event. First what we will do, we will create a student class to hold the details of each student. Then after, the class will have constructor to initialize the values, and we will create a method to calculate the average as well. And after that, and we will create another method to neatly display all the details. This is the things that we are writing in the students class. Okay, so first, we define the student class with variable name. What are their name, register number, and the subjects, and the three subjects. Okay, so let me write the first. So before that, let me create a student class. Yeah, let me create. I will create one more package, new package, and if your question one. Okay, done. Finish. And in this question one, I will create student class. And it will not going to the main class, just I will be storing those things. Okay, what we have to do first, I will create a student class. A student class is created. How it is created? Public class student, open and close. So what are the things, what are the data types we will be using here? Name of the student, matlab student name, name, register number, and subjects, three marks of the subjects, and three subjects marks. Okay, so first name will be the data type. The data type of the name is string. Okay, name. And another one is register number. We can use int register number. And uh, and subject marks also will be int subject 1, s2, s3. We can write in three steps, so it's up to us what we are writing. Okay, so subjects of in register number only we can write as it is. Okay, so after that, what we have to do, we have to, then we can use a constructor to initialize these variables when we create each student object. Okay, now I will be creating the constructor. Okay, so it is a constructor. I can remove this. There is no need. See what I'm doing. Public student, string name, register number, and three subjects. These five things we have to enter, right? The student should have to enter the name, register number, subject, marks of subject one, marks of subject two, and marks of subject three. So these five values should be entered by the student, right? So in the question it is given. Name of the student should have to enter, and the register number should have to enter. One, two, three subjects also he should have to enter, and average we have to write a logic. Okay, okay, now what we have done, we have created a student class, and we have declared these strings like data types and variables, and after that we have created a constructor. Now what we will do, we will to calculate the average of marks, we add the three subject score and we have to divide it, right? We have to write a method. What is that method? Double. You should have to return double only, right? So it may be average. Get average, we can say. It is a method. Okay, so what it should return, it should return the what to say, double only, right? Return, sorry, return what it should, the average of three subjects, right? So we have to add 3 and we have to divide it by 3. Divided by 3. S1 plus S2 plus S3. Okay, so we will be storing the average of three subjects by in get average method. Okay, now what we will do, to calculate the average of marks, we have done. Now next we print the details as required. So how we have to print the details? See, name of the student, register number, like that we have to print, right? So first there will be line and last there will be line, and the name of the student, register number, should subject 1, subject 2, subject 3, and the average should be displayed, right? So like that we have to display. So for this we will write the void. That means it written nothing. Void print detail, display details. It is a method name, okay? Void display details is the method name. Now what we will do? We have to print as required. Okay. So for that, what I will do is like system dot out dot print ln. Okay. First, what name of the student? What it is? Name of a student, like this. I can just copy it. I think. Okay. Name of the student. Name of student, and it should display the name, right? Name done. Next. Similarly, the others. Name of the student, and after that register number. Register number done. Subject 1. Okay, and subject 2. Let me write this thing only. 3 steps, right? Yeah. Okay, subject 1, subject 2, subject 3, and we have to print average as well, right? Now in this we have to write register number. S1, S2. Oh no. Yeah, S1, S2, and S3. And here average, we have to print that average, right? So get average. Get average. So we are printing this one. Okay. Now what we have to do? So what we have done? We have started. We have initialized. I mean, started the variables with the class student. Okay. So and after that we have written the method get average, and we have used in the display details. Now we should have to write the main method. So we have which they will be printing up the details. So I'm creating one more class by student details. Student details, so it will be a main class. Okay, done. I'm finishing that. So what I need, see, in this previous class, what we have done, we have just initialized the names like strings, ints, and all those things, and we have initiated the constructor, and we are printing the details. So in the main class we will be receiving the input. Okay, so for that what is required? As you have already seen in my previous video, introduction to Java playlist, right? In the seventh video, taking input from the user, how we can take the inputs from the user also I have told. So if you haven't know, like if you don't know that, you can go back and you can see that. So I'm writing that how to write scanner sc equal to new scanner system dot in. Okay, now we have to import the scanner class, right? So I'm importing that. You can see that import java dot util dot scanner. Yeah. So now what I am doing is, so in the question I'm going to the question itself. So see, I want to get the details of five students. If I write the logic for taking input of the according to the student class, right, I will get the I will get the details for only one student, but I want to get the details for five students, right? So for that, what I will do is, I will write student. Student is the, I'm creating the object, okay? Student s is equal to new student, and it's array of five, right? We are creating the object, but array, it is a array of five, okay? Yeah. Now we have created an array of five students. That means it will check for five students. It will ask for five students, okay? Now I will creating the for loop, which means if int I equal to 0 and I less than 5 and I plus plus. So it is an increment loop, as you know. If you know about loop, if you don't know about loops, I have created a video on loops as well. You can check that. So I have created a loops. Okay. So first, what we have to display, the user should have to enter his details, right? Enter details. Enter the name of the student. Okay. Enter name. Okay. Now after, and we are printing the enter name, we should have to give the option to the user, right, to take input. So what we are doing, so first of all we can take the name, but what I'm saying is like which student we have to check, okay? Like we are taking five students, right? So we have to print like which one. First one we are printing the first student, and second one we are printing the second, like that, right? So details first we will print, enter details of student. Which student? First we are searching for first student, right? So in for loop it will be 0, so we are writing I plus 1 to print the first student, and plus, okay. Now after that, now user should like ask the name, like first we are printing, enter the details of first student. So in the console first, at starting, it will check for first one, right? Like for loop it will go for 1, in I plus 1 it will print 1 for first student. So we have to ask the details, system dot out dot println. Okay. So we'll first will ask for name. Please enter your name. Enter your name, and we will check for the input from the user. So we will be storing that in the name only. String name is equal to sc dot next. As it is a word, we can use simply next. Okay. And next. Okay, done. So we have taken the name, and similarly we will take a register number, subject marks, and all those things, right? So similarly, let me take all those things. So register number. Okay, done. Similarly, we will ask for the marks as well. Okay. Okay. So we are asking the user for name, register number. So details of student one, student two, like that, five students will be coming, and name, register number. We are giving the chance to in user to enter his details. So after that, what we will do? We have to display that, right? So students, I first is zero. First student, it will be display new student, and we will be the passing to the we will be what to say, passing the details here. Name, I can say Ari, so it won't be complicated to me. Ari, S1, S2, S3. So I'm passing the parameters. So what happened for this? Sorry, I'm storing the students in S, right? Okay, done. What happened for this? So you can see, right? So with this, I am taking the five inputs from the user, and for first student, second student, for this for loop I have used, and I have used, and for student details, what is happening you also know. So in this, I'm passing the parameters. Okay, run as Java application. Yeah, save it. I think I should have to call the details, right? So that's the mistake I have done. So let me write that one also. So what we are doing, we are just passing the parameter, but we are not calling the method void display details, right? So let me call that after the for loop. So this is the for loop, right? After the for loop, I'll be calling the method as well. So system dot out dot print ln. Here I have to display student details. Okay, student details is like I have to call that, like for every student we have to call, right? So that's why I'm calling for student class s. I'm storing that in s. Like this is a for loop. I don't know why it is showing error. So I'm storing the each s1 in s. Okay, this is the student s. Okay, so for each s, like for each student, like it is a for each loop, I'm storing the value in the st. So I will be printing for that st dot display details. Okay, done. And after that, for loop, after that I have to close it sc dot close. There is no need, but let me run the program now. Enter the details of student one. Name is Gopi. Register number is 01, and the subject one score is 99, 100, 100, and details of student two, like name first Rushi, 02, that one 92, 93, 94. Why it is getting input mismatch? Okay, see if you are like not giving the correct value, right? So in case of it is a int but it has gone list, that's why it is asking again. So let me Run this again. So first I will be writing Gopi 01. Okay, name Rishi 91, and it is 92. So name again we have to do, and register number is done. So we have to enter the subject marks now. So subject marks. So let me enter for every student. Okay. So you can see this, right? So student details, how what I am getting. Student details, name of the student Gopi, register number 1, subject 2, and the average is 99, and similarly name of the student, register number, and the average student, like this I'm getting, right? So in this way we can solve this problem. So let me check again. So we have to print the name of the student, register number, subject 1, subject 2, subject 3, and average also I'm printing, right? Average also I'm printing. Okay, so this is the way to solve any question. So if you have any doubts, you can comment me on the comment section, so I will reply on that comment as well. Okay, so thank you guys for watching my video.